Okay, looks like we got some continued push to the upside here. It can pull back. You know how the market moves. It likes its ebbs and flows. All right. So let's take a look here at the market. This is the Emini S&P 500. Let's see if I can take a few trades today. Looking at my higher time frame, the 60 range chart. Again, we see price yesterday bouncing off this area. This area down here. This is support sitting down here at the bottom. So and it was a key area of demand resting down here at the bottom as well. So prices bounced off that several days, I think around the 20th or 19th of December, again the 21st, here around the 27th or the 28th. And, so we're kind of just moving sideways. You guys can see that here on the 60 range chart here. So, and hopefully you guys can hear me well. All right. So anyways, taking a look at a few things here. So we'll look at the market again and looking at the direction overall. I mean, we've just been kind of moving to the downside here. My computer's kind of freezing up a little bit because I have a video rendering in the background, so please forgive me on that one. But yeah, making lower lows and lower highs and then kind of just moving sideways. So, excuse me. So let's see here. But if we kind of look at this leg to the downside here, price made a low here before turning back around and kind of making, higher highs and higher lows to the upside. It didn't break structure right here at the top end right here, taking out this level here. But this could be just a pullback to swing to push lower here. All right, so we'll look to see what actually comes out of this back to the downside. If it does, it may try to come down here and take out this area here, or this area of support now here at the bottom, sitting around 3,800. But 3,800 is a round number, and it bounced once here when it came back to it. So, and then made a new high here. But we're kind of just moving sideways. We've been doing so leading up to the last few days of 2022 into 2023 now. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, so because we're just kind of moving sideways here, I mean, we do have direction to the downside and looking at the higher time frame, with price breaking structure to the downside. And it made a, swing here, low, pretty much retracement or pullback, lower high here, in a sense on the move to the downside. So, I mean, it did kind of give a little deep retracement here, but it made a new low here. And since then, we've been kind of moving sideways here. But I'll be, if I was trading, and I always say follow in direction of the higher time frame, possibility of definitely looking for, more so short entries. But right now, the market is just kind of moving sideways here, and we're trading within yesterday's trading range. We're trading within several days trading ranges, so it's a little bit difficult when the market's ranging to kind of pick which way is a solid direction to trade. I mean, if we break this low here, we already know again that we should be looking for pullbacks to go short, right? So right now, it's kind of a catch-22 situation. You can kind of, for me, I'm going to be looking at my 12 range chart and see if I have any kind of setups or zones that I could trade from, because right now, I mean, the market, yep, it did pull back here, making higher highs and higher lows, moving to the upside, but it didn't take this area here out, nor has it taken this low here out as well. So we'll scale down, look at the 12 range chart, and kind of see what we got going on. I did take a trade overnight into the overnight hours, or to the Asian session, or during the Asian session, going long as price broke back into this zone right here. So, or this broke back into this level in a sense. So it broke back into, took out structure right here, and I basically looked for a pullback to go, continuation to go long, to fill in this gap right here and take the trade or price back to this area here at 56. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see. All right, looks like the market is trying to possibly push higher. It breaks this area here on a pullback. I may go long, but just back to this area here, breaks this area here to the upside. I'll be looking for price to push higher here. So I'm going to just hold off right now. It appears that it's just trying to it turn back around, took this area here out, making these small little higher highs and higher lows. Now, if it breaks to the downside here and we get a pullback, then I'll be looking for a short entry. So I'm just going to wait it out right here. Market hasn't done too much. Yep. I mean, I'm not sure if price is trying to continue pushing up and breaking structure, but it is making small little higher highs and higher lows right now. Now, if it folds to the downside, let me take a look here, and breaks this area here, I'll be looking to take a trade on a pullback to go short, but we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. I gotta be mindful because we do have, this small area of demand resting below right here. So we'll see. All right, there's a key area of supply sitting right here on the 12 range chart. Price hits this area, it could bounce, reject, and we can get a little scalp maybe to the downside here. But if it breaks this area here, I'd be looking for basically price push up, break this area here, pull back, and go long, taking it back up to around 77. We'll see what happens right here though, because price could be just making small little higher highs to break lower to come down and take out this area here, or to test the low of day. Guys, I was trying to go long here for a quick scalp. Yeah, let me take this. This is going to be a very quick scalp back to this area right here. Hopefully we get filled here. Yeah, okay. All right, I'm going to take a quick little. All right, this is the area of interest right here. This is a supply zone. Price broke. I mentioned price breaks this area here, that it could test this area here, and it did. So let's see what happens at this supply area. Now, price takes this area here out. I'll be looking for price take it out, pull back, and test this area up here. So let's see what we get to take place here. Let's see. Okay, still breaking higher here, so just took a quick scalp right there on a continuation to the upside. I saw price breaking this area here. It could have pulled back, but it didn't. Just kept pushing higher. Yeah, see, it's still trying to break higher here. Yeah, I think we're going to keep pushing higher here. I'm looking to see if price is going to if it's going to pull back here, or what it's going to do right here. All right. There's a key area of demand resting right here, but we could continue pushing higher here. I like to take my trades on pullbacks, but man, this market looks like it's really trying to push higher here and not give a pullback. This could be very risky. I want to see a pullback, to be honest with you. Yep. Okay. Let's see if we can get a pullback to the zone down here, this area right here. All right, let's see what happens. What's going to take place here? Okay, I'm going long. Should have taken a long down here. Down here. This is aggressive long on a pullback here, but I'm looking for price to test this area up here, 76, somewhere up there. Okay. So we'll stay in this little long right here. Hope we get some continuation moving to the to the upside here. I don't want to see it break below 59.5. I thought I was going to take this level here out for a moment, but it may still, so we'll see. I want to put I didn't see a candle. The red candle didn't break below the bottom end here, so I'm looking for, if a red candle would have broke below the bottom end of this area of support or the swing here, I would have not taken this trade long. So we'll see what happens here. I think I'm gonna put a hard stop here because I'm needing to step away from the computer for a second. 60. I'm gonna put my stop right here. Okay, let's see what happens. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, looks like we got some continued push to the upside here. It can pull back. You know how the market moves. It likes its ebbs and flows. So hopefully we get our target met above here. So we'll see here. I'll stay in the trade for right now. Okay, I'm just going to kind of just take a screenshot here and throw it out on our Discord community before we get our hopefully profit target here. Okay. Come on, keep pushing. Again, they can pull back. Just put that trade out in the Discord community. Okay. Looking for it to fill this gap right here when price moved to the downside. So price has broke back in this swing here as it moved to the upside here, taking out this area. So I'm just looking for price to fill in this area right here. Okay. And so far we've got about, I'd say about this much of the area to still fill. So we'll see here. How was that? I may take my first contract out here. Let's see. I'll take it out right there if we can get. Yeah, first contract's hit. All right, 9 points on that first contract. And hopefully we get TP hit on the second one. I'll take the second one out of 10 if we can get it. Yeah, hopefully we get it. And what I'll do is, I'll move this stop up. I know I don't normally trade with stop, guys, but I stepped away from the computer, so. It could pull back to this area here before pushing higher, so if it does, it's kind of one of those situations now. Should I take profit or should I just go ahead and let it run its course? You know, either way, I'll still be in profit here, so. So we'll see what happens here. I don't want to see it pull back too much. Come on. When I see stuff like this right here, I normally just probably go ahead and get out because that first candle there is close to the downside. I know it's probably going to want to try to test this area here, so, but I think I'm going to go ahead and take my profit here. Yeah, I'm going to take out here. All right. Okay. So watch it run back up to the upside here and test my where I originally had my profit target at, but that's fine though. I'm gonna call it a day here on that trade there. That was a decent trade. Again, I'm trying to fill this gap right here. I'll draw that gap area again. And I'm thinking it's gonna probably fill this area here in. Hopefully it does. So, but either way, let's see. Okay, so that was 59, almost 60 ticks on that one trade right there. All right, and I think it's gonna fill this area here. So we'll just kind of wait and see. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the all I'm gonna do today, guys. I took a nice trade. Again, I mentioned that yesterday into the Asian session and the evening session yesterday to fill in this area right here. At the price broke back into this swing, broke structure here to the upside, and I was looking for that fill there. So I took a nice trade. That last contract on that trade yesterday evening was 14 points. So I think the first contract was around 7 points, I believe. So I'm going to call it a day. Not too bad of a week so far, so we'll see what happens here. If you're trading, please be safe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. If you're interested in joining the Discord, guys, please find the link to our Discord group down in the description portion of the video. The Discord is free of charge, so click on the link and invite yourself in free. Take care. See you in the next one, and have a profitable and safe trading day.